I want to thank you all for watching my video on how to make the Starburst granny square. One of my viewers had a question. She wanted to know what color combination did I use to make each of the squares. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what colors I used, also what yarn I used to make this beautiful afghan. All that's coming up next on Crocheting with Nyla. So to get started with what colors I use for this afghan, I took a picture of each of the squares and I numbered them 1 to 15. So in the video, I will be referring to the number to tell you what colors I use for that square. There may be one or two that have the exact same colors, and if so, I'll tell you which one of those are identical to the previous color square. The yarns that I use for this afghan are square number 1, soft white, baby pink, and pretty in pink. Square 2, soft white, light blue, country blue, and delft blue. Square 3, soft white, frosty green, minty green, and light sage. Square 4, soft white, sea coral, tangerine, and claret. Square number 5, soft white, maize, copper, and country red. Square 6, soft white, tan, warm brown, and coffee. Square 7 is the same as square number 2. Square 8, soft white, baby pink, pretty in pink, and grenadine. Square 9, soft white, lily pink, light lavender, amethyst. Square 10, soft white, warm brown, camouflage multicolor, and coffee. Square 11, square number 12, soft white, light lavender, lavender, and purple. Square 13, soft white, pale blue, light periwinkle, and soft navy. Square number 14, soft white, maize, honey gold, and coffee. And finally, square 15, soft white, Aruba Sea, Icelandic, and turquoise. So these are the colors that I use for this beautiful blanket. Thank you for your question, and I hope that you will pick these colors up and try them. So I hope that this tip has been helpful, and I hope that you try it. Happy crocheting!